SpaceX's not-so-secret plan to strangle its small rocket rivals. SpaceX promised low launch prices for small satellites in 2019, then slashed those prices further, shaking the industry. Satellites and rockets vary in size, from huge ones like James Webb Space Telescope to tiny Cubesats and corresponding rockets. However, SpaceX's competitive pricing threatens smaller rocket companies, potentially driving them out of the satellite launch market. SpaceX offered small satellite launches at $15,000 per kilogram, but quickly reduced it to $5,000 per kilogram, making competition tough. SpaceX might further lower its price to $2,045 per kilogram for transporter missions, based on Payload Space's estimates. Despite SpaceX's pricing pressure, Rocket Lab set a record for rocket launches and continues to grow, showing resilience. Before investing in Rocket Lab or others, consider diverse stock options as the market faces intense competition from SpaceX.